So you want to add a image or video to your website or funnel page. It's super simple. In this video, I will show you how you can easily exactly do that. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link from the description to get the 30 days free trial link on GoHighLevel. And you can get the live bootcamp access on GoHighLevel and some exclusive bonuses. So don't miss that out. Just check the link from the description and let's get back to the video. Once you are inside your GoHighLevel dashboard account by logging in, then you have to click on these sites here and just move to this funnel, or if you want to edit the page of your website, then you can move on the website. So I'm going to use the funnel website page. Let's say I will edit this easy access, so I'm just opening this. Basically this is my store, so I'm selecting this page or this step of this funnel and now click on this edit. Now here just select the place. Let's say I want to add a image or video here, so I'm just clicking on this plus icon here and I want to add a image or video, so you can search for that. You can add the image if you want, then you can add the video. See, so let's say I want to add a video here, so just drag and drop here, and it's the pre-built, but how you can change the video, here you can see there is an option for the select video. Click on this and it will open the media storage in the GoHighLevel, and here you can upload your local file video. Let's say I want to upload this video, so selecting this and click on this open. Okay, so our video is uploaded. Now close this, and to select this video just simply click on this three dot and select. Now insert the media. So it will take time to add the video, up to 30 minutes. So I'm just using this inbuilt video to show you. So after uploading this, now click on this. You can see it's uploaded, but it will take time to show. Now just simply click on this save, and that's it. After that you can publish this page or the video. So this is how you can easily upload your image or video in a single website page. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.